Hey everybody, and welcome to Crafting with Mr. Butch. Today we're doing a very easy craft that can be done on several different mediums. I'm going to focus the camera down on the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need two colors of paint. Here we have red and blue. You're going to need a paintbrush. You're going to need 4 of whatever you want to use. I'm using buttons, so I have 4 red ones and 4 white ones. You can also use old scratched up CDs if you want to. You can buy these glass pieces and you can use them. It's neat. You can paint those underneath if you want to and let it dry, and then you can see it up through the glass. But today I'm using these, and you can get the paint at Dollar Tree or anywhere you can find paint. It doesn't have to be real expensive. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of red paint. And in your, well, look at there. Woo! This is acrylic paint. I'm going to put just a little bit of it here on my plate. Like I said, you could use a paper plate and that will work fine. I'm then going to take my white button and I'm going to paint lines on it. Like this. So the white ones I'm turning into X's. Alright, we're ready to paint our O's on the red ones. And basically all I'm going to do is paint the outside edge of these. This is much easier than the O's were. And there is our O. I'm going to zoom in on them when I'm finished. Well, we've got our pieces. I didn't paint the best, but then again, I never was the best. And you can play several different ways. You can take, like if you have an area that has some dirt or sand in it, you can draw your Tic Tac Toe board. If you have a piece of paper, you can draw your Tic Tac Toe board. Or, and I'm going to zoom in on it, you can use popsicle sticks. Either arrange them each time, or you could glue them into the shape of a grid or board to play tic-tac-toe. So, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. There's the one made out of popsicle sticks. And then, of course, there was the one that I did on paper. There are our pieces, and I'm going to come back around. And I'm going to play an X in the middle. And then maybe somebody will play an O there. I'll play my X there. They'll play their O there. I'll play my X there. And they'll play their O. Their O there. I play my X there. And I have tic-tac-toe. So, You can play tic-tac-toe anywhere you want to. Any place you can make, draw, even in the dirt, a board to play tic-tac-toe with your X's and your O's. I hope that you'll make a tic-tac-toe set for yourself. Until next time, this is Mr. Butch saying so long.